Hi guys, I am Sheen and welcome back to Explore with Sheen. After exploring Karnataka and West Bengal, today we are heading to India's most royal state, Rajasthan, known as the land of kings. Rajasthan, where colorful culture meets the golden deserts and majestic forts tell stories of brave warriors. Let's explore this incredible state together. Rajasthan is a state in northwestern India and the largest state by area and seventh largest state by population. It was founded on 30th March 1949. It is bordered by five other Indian states, namely Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It also shares a border with Pakistan. The capital city is Jaipur, which is also known as the Pink City. The name Rajasthan literally means land of kings. Trust me, once you see its forts and palaces, you will understand why. Let's talk about Rajasthan's amazing state symbols. The state animal of Rajasthan is the graceful chinkara, while the majestic camel holds the honor of being the heritage animal, also called as the sheep of the desert. The state bird is the great Indian bustard, though it is sadly endangered now. The khejuri tree serves as the state tree, providing food and medicine in the harsh desert. Rohida is the state flower. Rajasthan's festivals are as vibrant as its turbans. The Teej festival celebrates monsoon. The world-famous Pushkar Mela is an amazing camel festival where thousands of people gather for camel racing and trading. The Desert Festival in Jaisalmer showcases the desert's culture with folk dance and competitions like the longest mustache contest. No Rajasthan exploration is complete without Dal Baati Churma. This iconic dish has three components. Number 1. Dal is our lentil curry. Number 2. Baati are baked wheat balls. Number 3. Churma is sweet crumble with ghee. Rajasthan is home to magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Sites, which includes the Jaipur city, the Jantar Mantar and the hill forts of Rajasthan. The hill forts of Rajasthan includes 6 stunning forts. Number 1, Chittorgarh Fort. Number 2, Kumbhalgarh Fort. Number 3, Amber Fort. Number 4, Ranthambore Fort. Number 5, Gagaron Fort. And number 6, the incredible Jaisalmer Fort. Now let's talk about tiger reserves. Rajasthan has 5 incredible tiger reserves. The first one is Ranthambore National Park. The most famous, once the royal hunting ground, now home to majestic Royal Bengal tigers. The second one is Sariska Tiger Reserve, made headlines for successful tiger relocation. Other tiger reserves are Mukundra Hill Tiger Reserve, Jodhpur Karauli Tiger Reserve, and Ramgarh Vishdhari Tiger Reserve. These reserves protect over 100 tigers and other countless species. Before we wrap up, here are some amazing facts about Rajasthan. Fact number 1. It is home to color-coded city. Jaipur pink, Udaipur white, Jaisalmer golden and Jodhpur blue. Fact number 2. Kumbhalgarh Fort with the second largest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. Fact number 3. Pushkar has the world's only temple dedicated to Lord Brahma. Fact number 4. Rajasthan is famous for its Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. Point number 5. India conducted its first nuclear test on May 18, 1974 in Pokhran, Rajasthan as the part of the Smiling Buddha operation. Point number 6. Mount Abu is Rajasthan's only hill station. From royal palaces to color-coded cities, from golden deserts to colorful festivals, Rajasthan truly lives up to its name as the land of kings. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video. And subscribe for more amazing Indian state exploration. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. Thank you and bye-bye.